Welcome all of you in this chapter Combustion in CI engine. Today we are going to discuss the combustion stages in CI engine. There are 4 stages. First, delay period. Second, uncontrolled combustion. Third, controlled combustion. And fourth, after burning. These are the 4 stages which related to the combustion. This figure indicates pressure inside the combustion chamber versus crank angle rotation diagram. P versus theta. The center line that is indicate the position of piston at TDC. So this line is indicate TDC position. Here XY indicate motoring curve, this one, and XZ indicate combustion curve, this one, main curve. Now if we discuss about graph, the point A is indicate point of injection. In case of CI engine, fuel is injected inside the combustion chamber and only air is sucked during the suction stroke. Ideally, it is required to inject the fuel at TDC, but it is not possible that whatever the fuel is injected at this point TDC and that totally ignite at the same time and produce the maximum energy. It's not possible. That's why advance angle is provided. So you can say as A is the advance injection point. Here A point is indicate point of injection. In the case of CI engine, fuel is ignite due to the self-ignition temperature, and the self-ignition temperature of diesel is low compared to the petrol. But it is required that at the end of the compression, the temperature should be higher than the self-ignition temperature of diesel. Then and then fuel will ignite. Another, before the combustion, the fuel must be converted in the form of vapor. Now, to make the more vapor or for the easy combustion, it is required that all the fuel which is available inside the combustion chamber should be vaporized. But for the complete vaporization, very fine droplet is required. To make this fine droplet, high pressure is required. So in the case of the diesel engine, fuel is injected with high pressure compared to the petrol engine. In the case of petrol engine, GDI engine is also there, gasoline direct injection system, but working of that one is somewhat different. Here we are discussing about the combustion in CI engine. At A point, fuel is injected. Once the fuel is injected inside the combustion chamber, it converted in the form of fine drop. That fine droplet is absorbing the heat from the combustion chamber. That means heat absorbed by that fine droplet is higher than the heat released by the fuel. That means vaporization is still not started. So initially, during this A to B period, droplet is absorbing the heat from the combustion chamber. That's why if you observe A to B graph, the pressure is somewhat dropped. So that is due to the heat absorbed by the droplet. At B point, actual chemical reaction is started. That means mixing of air and fuel is started. And vaporization is also started. The temperature inside the combustion chamber now increasing. At the C point, combustion is started. So A to B and B to C, that is the delay period. Why? Because at the A point, fuel is injected and at the C point, actual combustion is started. So this is the delay period, and this delay period is related to the chemical delay and physical delay. Why physical delay? Because in the case of CI engine, fuel is injected via injector. So actual injection command is provided or actual injection is provided at the A point, and injection is started after minor interval. So that's why that is called as the physical delay, and this is due to the chemical delay. Fuel droplet is there inside the combustion chamber is slowly vaporized and actual combustion is started at the C point. So A2C is related to the delay period, and that is due to the physical delay and chemical delay. Physical delays depend upon the types of injector, injection pressure and other factors. Chemical delay is depend upon the fuel quality, temperature and pressure inside the combustion chamber, contamination of residual gas inside the combustion chamber. So first stage is delay period. Now second stage, that is the C2D. If you observe this A point, already injection is started at the A point, and whatever the fuel is injected during this delay period, that means A to C period, that is called as the accumulated fuel. So whatever the fuel is injected during the A to C period, that is accumulated fuel, and injection is still continue after the C, even that is continue up to the E point. That means at E point fuel supply is stopped. Now at C point combustion is started and fuel is available inside the combustion chamber, and in case of the petrol engine, or you can say SI engine, flame is progressive. That means once the ignition is started at one point, that continuously propagate in a downward direction. That is the progressive flame. In the case of CI engine, at the end of the compression stroke, everywhere fuel is there, and actually fuel is ignite due to the self-ignition temperature, and this mixture is very heterogeneous in the nature, and the point where the actual mixture is stoichiometric, or the point where the proper amount of air is available with the fuel, combustion is started at this point, and even that started at every point with a minor lagging. What happened during this period? Rapidly pressure and temperature is increased, and here whatever amount of fuel is supplied is higher than the fuel burn. Why? Because already injection is continue and already accumulated fuel is available inside the combustion chamber. Here C2D is indicate the uncontrolled combustion. Why uncontrolled combustion? Because once the combustion is started, everywhere pressure and temperature is so high, rapidly pressure and temperature is rise during this period. At the D point, whatever the accumulated fuel is there, that completely burn. So that's why C2D is called as the uncontrolled combustion. Now accumulated fuel is burned, but fuel supplies continue. Whatever the fuel is injected during this period, absent of delay period. Why? Because after the D, whatever the burn fuel is there, that heat is going to burn the supplied fuel. During this period, what happened? Whatever the fuel is supplied, that is totally burned. That's why that is called as the controlled combustion. So why that is called as the controlled combustion? Because during the D to E period, there is not any delay. Why? Because the heat which is available due to the previous uncontrolled combustion stage is carried out by this stage, D to E, controlled combustion stage. That means the fuel supplied is burned. That's why that is called as the controlled combustion. Whatever the fuel is remain during the E to F period, that is now start the burning, but the air available inside the combustion chamber is not sufficient. Whatever the heat is liberated due to this period is not sufficient. As air is not available during this period, a black smoke is generated due to this after burning process. So this is the combustion in CI engine. So if you see overview, A to B process. During the A to B process, what happened? So during the A to B process, droplet absorb the heat, and heat absorbed is higher than the heat released. That's why there is the drop in the pressure. Now what about the B to C? Here actual chemical reaction is started, vaporization is started. That's why pressure is increased. So B to C is indicate actual chemical reaction is start and pressure is increased due to the droplet vaporization. C point indicate point of combustion. What is the C to D point? So here C to D point is called as the uncontrolled combustion. Whatever the fuel is supplied is higher than the fuel burn. Okay. And if fuel supply is too high, that means if accumulated fuel is too high, if delay period is too high, there is a chance of detonation. And due to the detonation, 100 cycle per second vibration is created by the uncontrolled combustion stage. That is the detonation. We are going to discuss separately on the detonation. So detonation is occur during the uncontrolled combustion. Now what is the D2E? That is controlled combustion. So D2E is controlled combustion. In this stage what happen? Whatever the fuel is supplied is burned. Why the delay period is absent in this case? Because due to the uncontrolled combustion, whatever the heat is there, that going to burn the fuel. So supplied fuel equal to the burned fuel. E to F, that is the after burning process. Actually at E point fuel supply is stopped, and I already told you due to the decomposed carbon exhaust is smoky. That means more amount of black smoke is generated if after burning is long, or amount of decomposed carbon is more. Further, after burning is depend upon the rich mixture. Today we are going to end this session. Combustion stages in CI engine: delay period, uncontrolled combustion, controlled combustion, and after burning. Thank you.